In this video, I'm going to be reviewing, I'm also going to be putting together the Infans tricycle, and I'm going to give you guys a little heads up. I definitely recommend this tricycle for your 2 to 5 year old toddler. All right, so let's get into it. We're going to open it up, and this is the box right here, okay? So we're going to open it just like so, and there are 2 different colors. And as you guys could tell, I like that that neon green, so I went ahead and got the neon green. And these are all the parts. Let me take everything out first. Okay, so we do have all the parts here. So we have the main frame, which is made out of iron right here. We do have the seat. Here's the seat. Here's the mud flap covers. We have the back wheels right here. We have the handlebar. We also got those little flares right there. We have the front basket for storage, and then we have the front wheel. So I'm gonna take off this plastic and I'm gonna show you guys how to put this together. Just keep watching. So now that I have all the plastic and the cardboard off, I did want to point out that it comes with a manual. It also comes with tools and a couple of screws that we're gonna be needing. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna grab the frame and we're gonna attach it to the back wheels, okay? And it does come with the screw. This is it right here. Okay. Okay, so once you attach the frame to the back wheels, you do have your screw, and all you gotta do is push it all the way through. Okay, and then it also comes with the nut that we're gonna screw on the other side. And then the cool thing that it does come with the tool to go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, so now we're gonna put the front wheel together, right? So we wanna grab this mud flap right here. We're gonna put it right on top. We're gonna remove this cap here. It's just a little plastic cap. And then we're just gonna insert it right in here. It's supposed to go all the way through like that. Okay, so now it's time to put the handlebar together. We're gonna take this plastic thing off like so. We're gonna put the basket inside, okay? And then we're gonna take this next thing here. We're gonna place that on top. And then this is also gonna go on top. This is gonna tighten the handlebars on, okay? So we just insert like so. Okay, so now all we have to do is tighten this up with that tool they gave us. Okay, so we just got finished tightening this up, and you have to tighten it nice and tight. You just got to keep going until you're able to move the handlebars, and then if you hold the tire, it's not going to move, okay? So you got to tighten it all the way up, and there is 2 levels. So right now it's on the medium, it's kind of on the low to the medium setting. Once your child grows up, you could actually make it a little bit longer, so it does have 2 settings. So once you got that screwed up, all you have to do is push this down, and that covers everything up right there, so there's no safety concerns, none of that good stuff. So all we have left is the chair, and as you guys could see, there's 2 settings. So we're gonna set ours in the back, but depending how tall your child is, you might wanna set it to the front or to the back, okay? And then to set that up, all it is these 2 screws. So you're just gonna put them in and then tighten them from the bottom, nothing crazy here, okay? All right, so now you guys can see it a little bit better. So all it is just screwing it here versus here, so depending on how tall your child is, okay? Okay, so with the tool that was provided, I was able to tighten up the bottom of the seat. Now, let me show you why I like this tricycle. Okay, so first thing is I wanna point out the tires. The tires do not flatten, so they're plastic, right? So these are all terrain. You don't have to pump them up, any of that good stuff, and that's all 3 tires, okay? So another thing I want to point out is the wide frame of the back tires. It makes it so your child does not fall over. So it's the wide stance that makes it like that. So even if they're turning the corner, the wheels are not going to go up and your child is not going to fall over, versus the ones that are kind of tighter. That way your child might fall over like that. So those are the real cool features that I like. And of course the basket is another thing. The basket's cool because they could put their water, their juice, whatever they have, and then that way they'll be good to go. I also like the non-slip grip, these grips right here. So as you guys can see, they have like little dots in them. That way your child is not doesn't slide off of these. And then of course these are cool right here. I also like that the fact that the handlebar is 2 stages, so you got the high and the low. And then also, let's not forget the seat. The seat also has 2 levels, so when your child is growing, you know, you can go ahead and set it back. So this is recommended for a 2 to 5 year old. And then I do also want to point out the non-slip grip pedals, because the pedals also have these little grooves that are right here, and it makes it so your child is not slipping off the pedal, no accidents, none of that good stuff. Okay, so as you guys can see, I highly recommend this tricycle right here. It is a pretty lightweight, okay, and that's another reason why I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, I do like this tricycle.